Today we're heading north of Cooktown, and our first stop along the way is going to be Isabella Falls. Okay, so now we are here at Isabella Falls. This is on the road that goes to Laura from Cooktown, Battlefield. So I think to see the falls you need to go down this way, but there's a causeway over there. On our way to Elim Beach, there's white silica sand dunes on either side, and it's such a striking sight to see. The Galala Silica Sand Project, which is led by Diatreme Resources, I hope that I've said that correct. It holds tenements in the area, and it's currently paused any progress on mining of the silica sand after community opposition. They still see it as a potential future asset, but I certainly hope it never gets through an environmental impact statement process, as it's far too beautiful to be mined. When you do get to Elim Beach, you need to stop at the campground and pay a $10 per vehicle fee before proceeding to either Cape Bedford or the Coloured Sands. You will need a four-wheel drive to drive further than the campground, but you can walk from the campground to the Coloured Sands, which is around a 1-hour return walk at low tide. Mm-hmm. And then they go, this is Cape Bedford, and there's a yacht that was beached here mid-September 2025. Very sadly, the solo sailor who was on board went missing. Apparently he was on his way from Vanuatu to North Queensland when he went missing. It's unknown what happened. But our thoughts go out to his family and friends. Now we're going to head back to Elim Beach and go and have a look at the coloured sands. You can see them in the distance, they just stand out so much. Again, to get to the coloured sands you have to wait for low tide so that you can get across. Like I said before, it's about an hour's return walk. But the sands are beautiful, like the colours are stunning, and they're so vibrant, like there's vibrant orange and yellow and white, and it's just beautiful. Maltese Shih Tzus.
Oh, like yours.
This is coloured sands. And this section here, people were running up it and kids were rolling down. It was funny to watch. And this is that white silica sand again. It is so white, like bright white. And it stands out more because of the greenery around it. And now we are heading into Endeavour Falls. To get to Endeavour Falls, you'll actually need to go through the caravan park. You just stop at reception, let them know that you're there to see the falls, and they'll provide directions to get to them. Unlike Isabella Falls, where you can swim, there's no swimming here due to the rather big lizards that exist in the creek. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy getting out and about and you find these videos a little bit useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, take care.